Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is, please lend me this just for today. Please lend me this just for today. बराह मेहरबानी मुझे आज के दिन ये उधार दे दो. Second, not at all. You have already borrowed the watch. Not at all. You've already borrowed the watch. बिल्कुल नहीं, तुम पहले ही घड़ी उधार ले चुके हो. 3. Don't be so stingy. Don't be so stingy. कंजूस मत बनो. 4. You are dark horse. You are dark horse. तुम छुपे रुस्तम हो. 5. She is safe and sound. वो बिल्कुल सही सलामत है. She is safe and sound. 6. How cranky man you are. How cranky man you are. कितने घटिया आदमी हो तुम. 7. I'll show you to do this in the blink of an eye. I'll show you to do this in the blink of an eye. मैं तुम्हें ये पलक झपकते ही करके दिखा दूंगा. 8. I have a hoarse voice. I have a hoarse voice. मेरा गला बैठा हुआ है या मेरा गला ख़राब है. 9. You are the one for me. You are the one for me. तुम मेरे लिए बनी हो. The last one is 10. Buzz off from here. Buzz off from here. दफ़ा हो जाओ यहाँ से. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.